Hello, I am Olayiwaju Olatunde. In the last video, we discussed about Google Docs, and I hope you enjoyed the video. In this class, we will be discussing about one more Google app for education called Google Slide. What is Google Slide? Google Slide is a cloud-based presentation that forms part of the Google Suite packages. It offers a host of features such as slide templates, presentation themes, and embedding images and video. You can access and create your presentation through multiple devices such as your mobile phone, tablet, or computer. The main advantage of Google Slide is that you can collaborate with others on a presentation. Changes made on your presentation are saved automatically. Presentations created by other apps can be uploaded into Google Slide, and those presentations can then be downloaded in multiple formats, including PowerPoint and PDF. Now, let's get started with Google Slide. Now, for us to get to Google Slide, we can go to Google Slides here. We sign in, and then we input our password, and we go straight away to a new document. We can also access this by going to Go to Drive. Since we're already logged in earlier on, it takes us straight into our Drive dashboard. Click on New, Google Slide. We can either open a blank presentation or choose from a template. Let's go to a template. And then we can see that we can either create a blank one or choose one from any of this. Let's choose your big idea. As it opens up, it shows us a presentation template called your big idea. Here we have a sample presentation, and then we can go through all those things that makes it take. Now we have our topic here. Let's change our topic to demo presentation, and then it shows us that it has saved to Drive. We also see we can style it for easy search, and then we can change the folder where our file is located. Now we have our many options here. We have our layout here, and then we can access this and see what options are available to us. We can share an import slide from Microsoft PowerPoint or other presentation app. We can make a copy. We can download in different formats. We can email it as attachment. We can make available offline so that when we're out of internet connection, we can access it even without being connected. And then we can publish to the web. You can see that this email collaborator is grayed out. This is because we have not shared our document with anybody. Now, the edit button is just for us to edit everything that is on the screen. We can view, we can insert different formats, images, audio, video, chat. We can format it. We can format our text, line spacing, put a table in it. Then we can access our slide. Either we duplicate one, or we create a new slide, or we apply a new layout. And then you can also change the theme, and it shows up on this right pane. So if I click on this, it changes the theme to this very color. And then we have tools, and then we have add-ons. Now, if we come here and right click, we also have some options here. We can duplicate a slide. If I click on it, it makes it into two. We can delete that. It goes back to the previous one that was there. And then we can skip slide. We can change the background. We can apply a new layout. Let's click on this. You can see that it's changed there. And then you can also move slide to the end. If you go all the way here, you see this is our slide. So one other thing we need to talk about is how to share so that people can collaborate with us. Now, if we come to the share button, now it says private to only me. I click on it, it loads up, and then I can type the email address of the person I want to collaborate with. This is it. Say, I want to collaborate with you on this presentation. And then here you can see the roles. You have the viewer, the commenter, and the editor. And then let's choose an editor and click on send. So the person gets an email notifying him that he needs to access his Google Mail and then see our email asking him to access this presentation. So if I come back here, it says I've shared this with one person. Just click on it again. See, we can also get a link, like a shareable link, that we can then send it to. It says anyone with the link can view it. We have restricted where only people added there can view it. So that's done. So one other thing before we close this particular video is this present here. Now if we go up here and we click on present, so this screen goes up and shows us our slide. If I click on display here, it keeps going from one slide to this next slide, and then we can just click on it, it stops, or we can do it manually ourselves. And you can see here the slide number. You can ask questions, close that, and then we can take notes. And then we can put captions, we can put it at a full screen, and then there are other settings as well where we can download as PDF or PowerPoint. So just press escape and we go back to our initial dashboard. So we can also change the theme like I earlier said, and you can import other themes as well. We can upload the theme from here. So if I click on file now and I see that this email collaborator is selected now, it shows us that we can now send an email to the person we've invited to collaborate with us. One other thing I want to show you is that you can click on this and go to publish to web. This will publish a link where we can then send to someone for them to access the link online. So I'd like to thank you for taking time to watch this video. I hope it was informative and you learned a lot from it. And then you can use it during your class when you are doing a presentation. Thank you very much once again for watching this video, and I'll see you during our last video on Google Sheet. Have a nice day. Bye.